This video belongs to Relaxing End channel, so all credit goes to him. First time ever opening one of this. This is limited edition, Call of Duty World at War Collector's Box. Now let's unwrap and open the box, and see what's inside the box. Box is pretty neat. First thing we get in the box is this redeem code. Call of Duty World at War game copy. Wow! Netflix free trial? That was unexpected. We get Netflix free trial with Call of Duty game. And last week get this canteen. Not intended for drinking. It's jammed to avoid people putting water on it, probably would rust. Subscribe if you don't, just press that red button, no matter what. Call of Duty Black Ops, professional sniper rifle for Wii. Something like this would be a really cool collector's edition in future Call of Duty. Four ways to use the sniper. Sniper comes in detachable parts and haptic motor inside for recall experience. I thought this is for recall experience, but I can't feel any force on it. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.